Ford Motor Company stock fell more than 4% in extended trading Thursday after the automaker swung to a quarterly profit, but fell short of what Wall Street had hoped, with sales also well below expectations as it faced persistent supply chain disruptions. Ford -3.59% said it earned $12.3 billion, or $3.03 a share, in the fourth quarter, swinging from a loss of $2.8 billion, or 70 cents a share, in the year-ago quarter. Adjusted for one-time items, Ford said it earned 26 cents a share in the quarter. Ford sales rose 5% to $37.7 billion. Analysts polled by FactSet expected the automaker to report adjusted earnings of 45 cents a share on sales of $41.2 billion. While we remain in the teeth of the COVID crisis and semiconductor shortages, our overall business is still in great shape, Chief Executive Jim Farley said on a conference call with analysts after the result. Related, GM came out swinging in Q4, surprising Street with optimistic 2022 view. Some may remain skeptical that a 118-year-old company like Ford will emerge as a winner in these disruptive times for our industry, Farley said. And I'm okay with that. We're going to compete like the challenger. Speak with our actions, prove ourselves, over time. Nowadays, few customers ask Ford why it phased out sedans, a controversial decision in 2018, and many more are asking to take delivery of Ford's new SUVs and pickup trucks, he said. Ford plans on taking full advantage of a first-mover position in the fully electric pickup market, starting with its F-150 Lightning, he said. See also, Tesla stock shrugs off second over-the-air recall for automaker this week. Ford has more than 275,000 orders or reservations for its all-electric Mustang Mach-E SUVs, F-150 Lightning pickups and E-Transit commercial vehicles, he said. Ford is breaking constraints to deliver every one of them as fast as we can. Like other automakers, Ford tried to sidestep chip shortages by allocating the chips on hand to in-demand vehicles such as the Bronco and the Maverick, the company said. Ford Chief Financial Officer John Lawler said Ford expects full-year 2022 adjusted EBIT between $11.5 billion and $12.5 billion, an increase of between 15% and 25% as compared with 2021. Adjusted free cash flow for the year is expected to be between $5.5 billion and $6.5 billion. Supply constraints will remain fluid throughout the year, reflecting a variety of factors, including semiconductors and COVID, Lawler told analysts. Based on what we see now, we believe our full-year wholesales will be up about 10% to 15% in 2022, with low double-digit net decline in the first quarter reflecting supplier shortages related to Omicron shutdowns and chip issues, he said. The company ended the quarter with more than $36 billion in cash and $52 billion in liquidity, which both include its investment in Rivian Automotive Inc. RIVN, -6.16%, which was valued at $10.6 billion at the end of 2021. At the close of trading on February 2, the value was $6.6 billion, reflecting Rivian's stock losses.